Welcome to the demonstration of the Western Financial's Professional Expense Reimbursement, also known as PER module. This video will review the PER dashboard and demonstrate how to submit a professional expense claim. We'll begin by logging into Western Financials and Grants and clicking on the Professional Expenses tile. The Professional Expenses dashboard includes 3 tiles. Notices, where information and updates will be posted for your review. My PER Claims tile, which displays your current year available balance. And Delegated PER Entry Only, for those with delegated access. To create a PER claim, click on My PER Claims tile, then click on the Create PER button. Please note that only one active PER claim is allowed at once, so you will only see this button if you have no other claim in process. To start, complete the General Information section first. Select your employee group from the drop-down menu, then select the applicable calendar year. Next, search for your approver by entering their last name in the approver field, or by clicking the magnifying glass icon. We are now ready to enter our receipts in the Detailed Expenses section below. Begin by selecting the appropriate expense type under the Category column. Be sure to review the information provided in the message box, which will be prompted based on the category chosen. Click OK. Next, enter the total amount of the expense or receipt in the receipt column. If applicable, enter the amount that relates to personal use under the Personal Amount column. In this example, we'll pretend we have a personal amount of $50. The next column over to the right is the Professional Amount column. The Professional Amount field will automatically be updated by calculating the receipt total less the personal amount to arrive at the amount to be claimed. Because we entered a personal amount of $50, our new amount to be claimed will now be $150 rather than our originating receipt of $200. And finally, we'll want to enter a relevant description that best describes our receipt in the Description column. This is the last column on the right. If you would like to add another expense line to your professional expense report, click on the green plus button located directly under the Detailed Expenses heading. To delete an expense line, click on the red minus button to the left of the line. Then click OK to delete the selection. Once we've added our expense lines, we are now ready to attach receipts and submit the report. To upload receipts and relevant supporting documentation, click on the attachments link located in the General Information section. Now that the attachment link is open, start by clicking the Add Attachment button. Then click on My Device and select your attachment. Once you've selected your attachment, click on the Upload button, then press Done in the top right corner. You'll then want to enter a relevant description that best describes your receipt in the description field. And when you're ready, then click on the Done button in the top right corner. We have now attached our receipt. When you're ready, click Submit to route your claim for approval and processing. Be sure to review the submission confirmation, then click OK. Now that our report is submitted, we've been redirected to the My Professional Expenses module, where we can see the status of our report in the Submitted section. This concludes our demonstration on how to submit a professional expense claim. Until next time.